you have to have a very specific surface for the cerakote to adhere to it, and in applying that surface it came off, as you can see here and here, and the same on the other one over here.
In the media plastic.
Yep. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and refill it with the same epoxy polymer stuff that we used before, and bake it out. It's got to cure for 48 hours, and then we're going to go ahead and hand sand those areas to go ahead and make it nice and smooth so that our media blasting unit doesn't just remove all our hard work again.